Olympic cross-country skiing.
Uh-oh.
Finn Remy suffered frozen penis in mass start race.
Oh.
What? What did you just say?
Excuse me, Mo. Excuse me, Mo. You got a problem with that headline? I always wonder about this. I mean, you're in the spandex.
I thought you weren't going to say that word.
I don't know. What did I say? Well, I thought I moved pretty quickly.
Okay.
Joni Mäki of Finland, center in this photo, competes beside James Clinton Schoonmaker, right, during the men's sprint-free quarterfinals cross-country skiing competition at the 2022 Winter Olympics. The men's 50-kilometer mass start race at the Beijing Games was shortened to 30 km, but that did little to help Finland's Remi Lindholm, who needed a heat pack at the end of the race to thaw out a particularly sensitive body part. You know what I'm thinking right now?
Please tell me what you're thinking right now.
I do the hockey on outdoor hockey.
Yeah.
With the youngsters, you know, we do the pickup hockey, you know, the pond hockey, Mo. They got all types of heat packs that you can put in your gloves, or even ones that replace the footbed in your skate, or if you're Will and you're doing the snowboarding. I'm sure he's heard of this.
What,
You
heat
heard of
packs?
this?
Did you use it before?
Heat packs?
No, it looks like an insole, but it's heated. But it's not battery operated. You don't have to recharge it. It's like those heat packs, but it's shaped like an insole.
Oh, no. I've only tried the battery operated
Oh, okay.
soles.
Okay. Well, anyway, there's all these different devices to keep you heated up. What if you just take the heat pack, you jam it in the crotch?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, he's got the
work.
he's got the
Yeah.
frozen penis.
Problem solved.
I mean, doesn't this make a lot of sense here?
Yeah.
Well, what about...
Or you think he already had it?
I don't know,
Did he
man.
have the heat pack? It didn't do enough.
I think that he didn't have it.
Lindholm
would've done
spent just
something.
under an hour and 16 minutes traversing the course in howling, freezing winds, leading to his penis becoming frozen for the second time.
Oh.
For the second time?
You would think that he would learn his lesson.
Yeah.
He says, "You can guess which body part was frozen when I finished. It was one of the worst competitions I've been in. It was just about battling through."
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I don't know. It's the thin
Is that really
suits.
worth it?
It's the thin
Come on
suits, isn't it?
Yeah.
He
What
says the
happened to
pain.
the-
He says the pain was unbearable. Is there not a? Can we do a crotch device, or do they feel like it's going to slow him down?
Yeah,
I feel
it's
like
not
it's worth
aerodynamic.
a little bit of slowdown.
So they take the frozen penis in because of the speed.
No, I hope not. Hope
I
that's
think
not
that-
the
I think
trade
it's
they're
what I
making.
think it's what we're seeing here.
It's a bad trade.
Like a heated jock?
Yeah, but you get the gold medal.
Okay, still.
Questionable.
Heated jock, heated underwear, heat pack in the crotch pocket for the heat pack.
Okay.
I'm thinking all types of ways. Well, you know, these guys, they're obsessive over how much weight they're carrying. And
Yeah.
Yes.
They're probably like, nah, I'm going frozen penis.
I'm going to choose that route. That's such a weird way. Like, imagine you're first, but you lose your penis.
No, he didn't lose it.
It was
But
frozen.
you're,
and there are
losing.
it's
chances.
frozen twice.
Yeah.
No, but he thought it out. It's good to go. It's a
You can't just thaw it out and
Yeah,
everything's
and-
okay.
It's lacking a little sensation, but he's ready to go.
That's the worst.
He's ready to
It's
go.
pretty bad.
Still functions.